Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Standard Notes on your iPhone step by step. Standard Notes is a secure note-taking app that uses end-to-end encryption to protect your notes while keeping them synchronized across your Apple devices and other supported platforms. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Tap the Search tab at the bottom of the screen, type Standard Notes into the search bar, and look for the official app published by Standard Notes. Next, tap the app from the search results to open its App Store page. Tap the Get button, then confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password if prompted. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch Standard Notes. If you already have an account, sign in using your email address and password. If you're a new user, tap Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions to register. After signing in, your encrypted notes will automatically sync across your connected devices. You can begin creating new notes, organizing them with tags if available, and adjusting your preferences to personalize your experience. Finally, check the App Store occasionally for updates so you're always using the latest version with improved performance, new features, and the latest security enhancements. And that's it. You now know how to install Standard Notes on your iPhone and start keeping your notes secure with end-to-end encryption. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.